Hello everyone. Welcome to Digital Marketing Mastery course. In this course, we are learning Meta ads, Google ads, and how to create website from beginner to advanced. Anyone who doesn't even know the basics of running ads or creating a website can also become an expert through this course. I will try to teach you from the basic fundamentals of digital marketing. You don't need any previous knowledge or have any campaign creating any ad campaign experience or anything. So anyone who are interested to learn digital marketing from beginning can learn from this course and become an expert by the end of this course. So to begin with, we will cover the meta ads in this course. So the session will be the today's class will be 1 hour long, and in this 1 hour long session we will try to create our first ad campaign, and I'll be teaching you from the stage 1, like with zero knowledge. Anyone who is watching this can create your first ad campaign and publish it. So I'll be teaching that to you that in this class, and while we go further we will learn more advanced learnings, such as in Facebook we will learn how to do retargeting, how to create a custom audience, lookalike audience, and how to create pixel event, how to track those events, and how to give UTM parameters. These are the advanced stages learning. So myself Snehith Kumar, I am a digital marketer and performance marketing manager with 5+ years of experience working in large digital marketing agencies, and I work with some of the top corporate companies, and my monthly over budget I used to handle is approximately 1 crore to 3 crores. So I've been worked with real estate companies, hospital sectors, hospitality sectors, e-commerce sectors. So I have handled all type of sectors, and I would like to share those experience today with you. So let's begin the class now. So to create ad, your first ad, first you need to have a Facebook account, and to have a Facebook account you can just so you just go to the Google and open your Facebook personal account. If you don't have Facebook account yet, create one account. Like you can just type facebook create account. So you will have, if you already have existing account you can click here. If you don't have account, create a Facebook account. I never use your business name to create a Facebook account. You should use your own personal name to create this account. And if you have, like, if you could use your the name that is already in the like PAN card or voter ID, it is even more better. So right now I have already have a personal account, so I'll just click login. So as you can see, all the accounts that I have previously logged in, it is showing here. So I'll go to my personal account here, the Snehith. Now it's asking password. I'll simply use my existing password. So you can create account from here as well, sign up. So and I would always recommend you to create account from the mobile. So through laptop mostly it will take longer time, or it will ask you for a verification. So if you are creating a new account, create it from mobile and log in with laptop. Don't create accounts, Facebook accounts, especially Facebook accounts, in laptop. So now as you can see, I'm logging into my account, Facebook account. So I have an authentication code I have given. So to secure my account, I always keep an authentication code. So because I handle large accounts, like many accounts under my account, so I want it to be secured here. So I'm giving my authentication code, and it keeps changing every 1 minute or 30 seconds. So once I given the authentication code, it is asking to save my login information. I'm giving it to save information, and I'm asking it to trust this device. So once everything is done, now I can open my account, as you can see. So this, when you log into your first Facebook personal account, you will see this type of screen. So now if you are running ads for your business, most of the ads is run for business, not for personal accounts, right? So now how to create a business account to run ads? So Facebook has given personal account to create on your name, and for business you need to use pages. Either you can go from here, or you can select from here the menu, or from here you can create the page. If you click anywhere, it will reach us to your pages section. So once you click on that, you will see all the pages that you are managing here. As you can see, all the pages I have been managing here, it has listed it here. So now what you can do is that whatever the page you wanted to create ads for, you can go to Meta Business Suite from here. If you don't have any pages here, if you are created a new account, or if you are creating your page for the first time, then you will not see any pages here. You will see create a new page here. So click on here, create a new page. So once you create a new page here, it is asking you to create a page. So it's asking, personal profile do you want to create, or you want to create a public page? So if you are running creating a page for your business, organization, or if you are a creator or a mentor, influencer, you always use public page. This will give you some professional tools, advanced professional tools, and you can give, if you are having a team of 5 people and you are the boss there, so you can give your team the access to these pages. You can give someone like social media manager to handle the social media pages, to ads, a person who is handling your ads, you can give access to ads account, and you can give temporary access, partial access. So it has many advanced tools. So creating this page give you more advanced tool for your business. So you can simply create a business page from here. So as of now, I already have pages, so I'm starting out from here. Once you create a page, you will see the page appearing here. So then you can then you will know that okay, the page is been created. Now what is the next step after creating the Facebook page, business page? You will see Meta Business Suite option. So this is a business account for your business page. So once you create this Meta Business Suite, you will get all the advanced professional tools provided by Meta for the business owners. So you don't need to pay like third party tools or softwares or platforms for you to have tools. Facebook provides for creators and business owners all the advanced professional tools for free. Now once you click on Meta Business Suite, a page will appear like this. So you will see this Facebook page. This is a page with 230 likes. You will see all the page. While creating the page, you will see these details like the dome, the name you have given, the category the page is in, email account, location, website, everything you see details. And then you have to create an Instagram account for your business, and you will see as of now this Facebook page is connected with Instagram account, but when you create a business Meta business suite for the first time, you will not see this Instagram connected. So you should just click on here, and instead of go to Instagram, it will ask you to connect to Instagram. Click on connect to Instagram and connect the Instagram. Once this is done, you will see all the creator marketplace, content calendar. You can schedule your post for a month long. You can schedule content calendar sheets, and you will see all the posts, reels, stories, what is the insights, analytics, what is the reach, everything you can see. And you can directly post from here also, post, reel, story, live, and all the multiple options for the creators provided by Meta. So whenever you are running a organization or business, choose Meta Business Suite to run the ads, to post content. Do not use directly from your personal account. Personal account is for per individual persons. For business or organization, create a page and run, use Meta Business Suite. It has many advanced tools. Now let's get into next step. After creating Meta Business Suite, this is Ads Manager. Now click on the Ads Manager, and now you will go to Campaigns. Click on the Campaigns. So this is the Ads Manager account. Facebook also gives you free Ads Manager account to create ad campaigns. Once you come here, you can click here the business portfolios. This is called, all the business portfolios will be listed here. So all the access that I have to business portfolios I can see here. So I have selected my personal ad account and I have chosen this ad account. So all the things that are listed here is called business portfolios. So each business portfolios has multiple ad accounts. So you can choose the ad account for different clients, like you are handling real estate clients, you are handling hospital sector, education sector. You can create ad account for each of the client as well. There is no set time restriction on how many ad accounts you can create in one business portfolios. So I have this business portfolio Snehith Kumar, and in that I have this ad account. I am clicking on that. So you can see once all the ad campaigns that I have been handling, I can see all of those campaigns are listed here under this account. So when you click on Ads Manager Campaigns, you will see this business portfolios. In your case, if you are creating it for first time, in business portfolio you will not see any ad account. Instead, you will see in this place it will ask for you to create an ad account. So simply create the ad account, and after creating an ad account, it will ask for a name. Give a business name, or mostly give the business name. It is easy to recognize later when you when you give access someone to recognize it. It will be easy. So create an ad account name with a business name, and it will ask for the country. Use Asia, Kolkata. Time, country time, it use Asia, Kolkata, and currency put it as INR. Once it is done, you will have your ad account ready. So once you create that ad account, you will see this type of page here. So let me show you. So this is called dashboard, and you can see these are the performance metrics. You can check reports, breakdown reports, all these advanced tools. I'll share it with you once we go forward in our classes. So you can see the campaigns, ad sets, ads, all of those things. Opportunity score, you will see the opportunity score when you create a campaign. What is the opportunity score given by Meta? You don't have to take it seriously. but you can consider it sometimes. So far good, right? So once you have your ad campaign account, now you have to create your first campaign. If you have come this far, then you are like able to become a digital marketer, because if you are able to grasp this much of content and able to follow up with me, then you are good to go as a digital marketer. You should have that confidence. And next part would be easier compared if you came this far. So now what you can do is, here here you will see an option to create. So create an campaign, and you will see an option here, choose a buying type, auction or reservation. Now always 99.999% you should use auction. And what is the difference between auction and reservation? In auction, you are giving Facebook algorithm complete control and permission to bid for your ads. So if you have given a daily budget of 300 rupees, for example, let us say in this case scenario, I will take a real estate company. So this real estate company sells villas. For example, in Mokila, we have a project called Finland Villas, premium villas. Each villa cost around 12 crores. So we need to run ad campaign for Finland premium villas. Now we need to use auction or reservation. If you use auction, it means that Facebook has a complete permission to show ads when there is a high intent person who has a purchase potential. So it will bid accordingly. For suppose, let's say there is a vice chairman who can afford a 12 crore villa, and 4 people are having similar projects in the Mokila, and 4 of them wanted to show ad to this person, right? Now each person daily budget is for our, like we have for Finland premium villa, we have put daily budget of 1000 rupees, and for other 3 projects someone put 800, 400, 700. Now what Facebook decides is that this person's daily budget is 1000 rupees, so I can bid little higher for this high purchase intent. I will make sure that this lead at any cost goes to Finland premium villas. So it will be it will automatically try to bid of all these 4 competitors, and finally it will give us a bid of 70 rupees per lead, and it will show our ad to the high intent audience. So that's how you will use auction, and most of the time auction works best because you cannot identify each person on how to bid. So some person maybe you can get it for 20 rupees per lead. For some person the Facebook decides to put 100 rupees per lead. Some person it decides to put 200 rupees per lead, because the person is very high intent. So instead of you do manually those auctions, Facebook will do better than you. Its algorithm is so powerful to understand how to bid. So millions of people are competing for one single audience, so it's better use auction all the time, no exception here. Use auction whenever there is you are using or creating an ad campaign. So far good, right? And when to use reservation then? So basically if you see, when we select auction, you will see all these campaign objective types like awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. And when you choose reservation, you will have only awareness and engagement campaign. Why is that? Reservation basically means you are not competing with 2 to 4 like millions of competitors in the ads, in the Instagram ads. You are telling Facebook simply that, see, I don't want it to bid, I wanted to purchase a spot, like I want from 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock my ads to run, and I wanted to put like 20 paisa or 50 paisa per view, or 50 like for 1000 people I wanted to put 10 rupees per reach. This is called, there is called uh, cost per 1000 impression in awareness campaign. For engagement, price per view. So you can you are directly telling I wanted to put this much budget for this much reach, so I don't want any auction, fix this. If the audience comes under this price, just show them. If they comes above, if you wanted to bid higher, don't bid it. My reservation spot is clear. So this is reservation spot. And who takes reservation? Large brands. Like if let us say Good Day has created a new product and they wanted awareness on the product, so they will directly buy a reservation and show the ad simply. They don't want bid, they will bid highest. So there is no competition, they directly bid highest in the reservation and put it. So every view gets at this price only and no competitors. He is the first person in that, he will give certain dates. From this month to this date I want my ad to run. So he will directly purchase the space. So he will not do auctions. And it's mostly for brand promotion only. It won't be helpful for leads, and the Facebook doesn't given the permission to create a reservation type campaign for leads campaign. It's only for awareness and engagement. So I think you got a clear picture till now on when to use and how to use this, and what is the concept of selecting a buying type. So far clear, right? Auction. Now we have selected auction. Now it is asking choose your campaign objective. So here are the campaign objectives. So let's go one by one. I'll try to explain as much detailedly as possible in depth to understand a complete concept. So you should not look like an amateur when you are going for an interview or getting a freelance clients, high ticket clients. You want to have that understanding of these concepts thoroughly. So when to use awareness campaign and what is awareness campaign? Awareness campaign, you are telling Facebook, awareness campaign is nothing but you are telling Facebook that my ad objective in this awareness campaign is to show about my service, product or my business to the public. And public, the target audience, we call target audience as public as a target audience in Facebook. So remember this terminology. You should use this type of terminology when you are a digital marketer. So you are telling by awareness, selecting awareness campaign to Facebook that my target audience should not take any action, they just has to see my ad. That is my objective. So in example case, now we like you have a restaurant opening on like in 5 days in this month, today is October 23, you can say November 1st you have a restaurant opening. So before 7 days you start created awareness campaign for a surrounding of 5 kilometers from your location. Now the objective is simple. When someone, your target audience, see the ad, they don't take any action, they just see the ad. And how many times they see the ad? It is called frequency cap. So you will keep frequency cap 3. So each person see your ad 3 times a day. Now what is the use of seeing that ad? So in that awareness campaign, your poster, it is called ad creative. We call the ad poster ad creative in Facebook ad campaign. So in that ad creative you mentioned our restaurant is opening on November 1st, and there is a like you can say ceremony or a celebration on the November 1st. You will get 90% discount on dine-in or 70% discount on dine-in. And any influencer with a 1 lakh above followers has a free reception and food for them to promote our brands. You have created this kind of ad creative, and now you have just published that, and the goal is simple. More people you wanted to reach and know about this November 1st opening. So many people will come on the November 1st. This is the goal. Now you are telling people about this. You are not asking them to take an action, nothing. You are just telling them. This is called awareness campaign. It helps you to get views, impression, reach, brand awareness. If it is a video, you will get video views. So this is the goal of the awareness campaign. So best use cases is that openings. If you have any openings, shop openings, restaurant, cafe, salon openings, you can use awareness campaigning. Large brands use their awareness campaign. Sorry for the disturbance. So large brands use awareness campaign to tell about new products that they are launching. For suppose Boat has launched a new product, it selects its target audience and just let them aware about the new product that they launched. Just Apple has launched a new product, they create awareness campaign to tell that we launched this new product. That's it, we are promoting. You don't have to purchase this. I'm not asking you to purchase. Just we are telling you we launched this product. That's it. That's the this objective type awareness is about all. Now what is traffic campaign? So in traffic campaign, unlike awareness campaign, in traffic campaign you are asking the target audience to take small action. You are not asking them to purchase my product in traffic campaign. You are telling to take small action, such as example, in traffic campaign you can increase followers. So you can create a good video on your Instagram profile and create campaign objective traffic and select Instagram profile visits as an results. So this can help you increase followers. So what you are telling is that Facebook, that selecting traffic objective, I want more people to take action on visiting my profile, Instagram profile. When they see my video, they should click on my profile and visit my Instagram profile. Once they visited Instagram profile, they will follow. Like 100 people visited my profile, at least 10% will follow, or 5%, 7% will follow. So you are telling, so this is about taking small action. So when this will work better, such as I said, Instagram followers you can increase, or you started a new blogging website and you wanted people to read your blogs, and you are in a belief that if someone read your blog even once, they keep repeatedly coming to your website. So to have that first action to take, you have created a post or telling that, hey, read my first blog. It's about something like story of a Microsoft influencer to a journey to a Microsoft software employee, something like that. And the action is that click on the link. So you can see link clicks. Link clicks is also a result here. So someone clicks on the ad and they go to your website blogs, they read, and if there, you know, right, there is a pop-up will come, subscribe, they'll subscribe. So you can send every new blog on their email. So eventually you will have a large followers, subscribers who reads your blogs. Then you can launch your courses, products, services like this. So this is also best for when you wanted this type of followers, visitors for your new website or blogging channel. You can use YouTube. You can also send them to YouTube also using traffic campaign. If you have started a new YouTube channel, send them to YouTube. Telegram channel, if you have started, send them to Telegram channel. If you are a restaurant owner and your platform like your restaurant for online deliveries available in Swiggy and Zomato, and you are giving 50% offer for your first 10 days after launching your new restaurant. You can use in Swiggy, you will once you registered with Swiggy, you will get an app of Swiggy restaurant partners, and in Swiggy restaurant partner you will have a link of the Swiggy website of your restaurant dashboard website. So you paste that link here, so someone see that ad, if they click, they directly go to your Swiggy restaurant page and they'll order from there. So this type of multiple things you can do with traffic campaign. Okay, hope you understood the significance of awareness campaign and traffic campaign, and when to use engagement campaign. Engagement is all about likes, shares, comments, how people, target audience are engaging with your posts. So it's all about engagement. So when to use this type of engagement campaign? You are conducting a large seminar or event or corporate events, tech events, and you want people to engage with your page, post, video, then you use engagement campaign. You will get multiple likes, comments, shares, and people messages you, comments you, and you get video views. Like video views, even in traffic campaign you can get video views, but in engagement the duration of your view time, so in traffic campaign it might be 2 to 3 seconds, your video is 60 seconds long, and in traffic campaign you may get 2 to 3 seconds view time, but in engagement campaign you can get it for 15, 30, 45 seconds. The span will increase because the intent, target interest would be much higher compared to traffic campaign. So here in engagement campaign the interest of the target audience is little higher. So this type of things you can for this type of business or events you can use engagement campaign. If you have created a new page, Facebook page, you can get more likes, and if you have a video you will get more views. And I will also tell you some of the spam or spam, or sometimes people who are not well aware of how Facebook ad works consider engagement campaign for getting leads for their business, which is really wrong. Engagement campaign, if you create, if you wanted to generate leads and you selected an campaign objective as engagement, you will get more messages in WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, you will get many likes on your post, but those are not conversion leads. They don't have the high intent or purchase intent of your product, they just engage. So you'll get daily 20-30 messages about inquiring your product, but those will never convert. So engagement campaign will give you more messages. Like as recently some of my student told me about their relative who has given taken an agency to run a campaign, and he said that he ran an engagement campaign and he's getting daily 30-40 messages on WhatsApp inquiring for real estate, but out of this 30-40 and weekly this 200 leads, not a single site visit coming to his single site visit is coming for visiting his sites. Why is it happening? Because these people, when you create engagement campaign objective, Facebook identifies the people who can message you, not the people who can come to your visit the site. So I try to understand the concept. Engagement will not generate you leads, it will generate engagement on your post. So it best for something that you want engagement, not anything related to revenue or purchases, about just engagement, such as events, seminars, free demos, free master classes. Also a good you can go with engagement campaign because you get multiple inquiries, all those things. So those kind of things you can you can create engagement campaign. Especially for videos you will get good results. So videos, if you have, you can use engagement campaign. So far good, right? Now we will go to the leads campaign. This is where it becomes technical. This is where a digital marketer or performance marketer comes to the place, because all the above three campaigns, awareness, traffic, engagement campaigns, can be run by the client itself if he has little much knowledge, like which from my class they can learn it from there here itself. But if you wanted to become a professional, you need to understand leads campaign, because this is where the revenue, the income, the sales, the purchases, the site visits, admissions, all those things happen in this leads campaign. Above awareness, traffic, engagement, it's about getting about brand promotion, video views, likes, shares, comments, link clicks, all those things. But leads is where you actually grow your business with this objective. And most of 90% of my clients, I create only leads campaign, because their major goal is to generate leads. So now, yeah, let's start with leads campaign. So you can see here, collect leads for your business or brand. The result you can get it from here. And where do you want it to get leads? Whether it's to website, whether through instant forms, whether through Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, calls. I'll tell you the best options to select here. Selecting calls gives you 80 to 90% junk audience. There is no filtration. Someone saw the ad, they just click on call, and your energy, time is being wasted. Your entire day you keep getting calls, which is not at all like advised to put calls. It's a 80 to 90% junk. You'll get all leads from someone from who is from different place, location, or not in your interest audience. So leave calls to a side. Do not keep calls as an objective if you want good quality leads. Next, it is asking Messenger or Instagram. It is telling that it will give messages through Messengers, Facebook Messenger, or through Instagram messages. It will also give 70% junk. Yes, 70% you will get junk even if you selected Messenger or Instagram as a result objective, result goal. So which is the best options then? WhatsApp. WhatsApp will give you 40 or to 60% of the quality audience. Although it also has junk, but comparatively it has much more quality leads. Why? Because there is a filter happening in WhatsApp. Like someone gives WhatsApp as a result, you saw the ad, the target audience saw the ad, click on your ad, the message sent to your WhatsApp, and a default message sent by you to the client. Hey, he is asking, can I know more information on this? Now you are sending, yeah, this is about real estate plots located in Mokila, and the plot cost is 12 crores, which is a premium, and it has a large lavish space, villa, swimming pool, all those features you will mention with a attached video you will send to him. Now if he is an interested lead, he will watch and he will get back, he will follow up with their questions. Then you can build a connection and call them back, explain, and they will visit the site. This is how the works. So in WhatsApp you will get good quality leads. And best of all of this is instant form leads. You will get 70 to 80% quality leads when you select instant forms as a result. Why? The filtration here is so much better than WhatsApp. So in the same example, someone saw the ad, your real estate ad, they clicked on the ad. Now instead of directly reaching you directly on the WhatsApp, he will go to a form. In the form it will ask them, hello, this is about Finland Premium Villas, which is located in Mokila and starts from 12 crores. Are you okay with this or no? It will give two options. Now if he says yes, I'm okay, it will go to next question. If he says no, it will say thank you and lead will never come to you, because he is not okay with it. So you want quality leads, right? If he says yes, okay, then it will go to next question. Now he said he is okay with 12 crores, he is okay with the plot being in Mokila, everything. And next question it will ask, great, now he said he is okay. Now we will say that what is the sizes of our square feet of our plots. We will say this much is the square feet. We have three different square feet, 2 BH, like you can say like duplex villas or this of all these types of, which one you would prefer. He selected some option. Next question, great. Now when can you visit the site? This week, next month, you can give the options. He will select that, and we will ask what is the job title, to understand whether he is a qualified person, whether he has a purchase potential. So his job title tells that if he is a purchase potential or not. He said that I am a manager or a CEO or director of a certain company. He said director. Okay, directors can offer this. Now we understood. Then there is a default email, phone number, and email, phone number, and his name will be pre-defaultly given to us by Facebook. Once we get these details, we understand everything about client. Okay, client name is this, he is doing it, he is working as a director or he is a business owner, and he is okay with the plot, he is okay with the price. Let us call him. So now you will get 80 to 90% quality leads through instant forms. So this is how you have to understand the objectives and results here. So far good, right? You have been following up. Then we can select the leads and we will click continue here. Now our first campaign dashboard is opened. Now you have to understand, this is called campaign, this is called ad set, this is called ad, and for campaign you have to give a name. So you don't have to think much here to which name you should give here. You could simply understand, like in example I told ours is Finland premium villas, right? So you can give this name and never leaves empty gap. Don't give any empty gap here. Always use underscore, because if you are working with large agency or if you have too many clients, then you wanted to export all these campaigns into Excel and see how the like last 3 months, 6 months performance has been, then you will get lot of errors if you leave gap between the name. So always use underscore between the name. So now I given a name Finland premium means premium villas. Instead of giving all these large names, I will use shortcuts. So Finland premium villas, and I have created this campaign on 23/10/2025. So this is how I'll give campaign name. So when I see these names, when I created this campaign, I can say okay, Finland premium villa is created on 23 October 2025. Now I'll got the clarity. So that's how you will create campaign name. And I told about buying type auction, and campaign objective is leads. And now this is called campaign budget and ad set budget. So we call it campaign budget optimization, CBO, and below is ad set budget optimization, ABO. Use this terminology, CBO, ABO, campaign level budget optimization, ad set level budget optimization. So when to use campaign level budget, when to use ad set level budget. So campaign level budget is used when you have, I'll give you two scenarios when to use campaign level budget. One is when you have low budget. Let's say you have only 500 budget, in that you cannot create two ad sets, especially for high ticket clients, right? So you only have small budget and you will create only one ad set, one campaign and two ads to test, and publish the campaign. Then you can use campaign budget and keep simply 500 budget. Another scenario when to use campaign budget. You have a good budget, you have suppose let's say 2000 rupees daily budget you have here. So 2000 is your daily budget and you wanted to test 4 different audiences from 4 different locations. So let us say this in this example we thought like we have a Finland premium villas in Mokila and we wanted to target 4 different places: Hyderabad, let's say Vishakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Tirupati. We wanted to target these 4 locations and we wanted to test each city in different ad set. Instead of keeping all those places in one ad set, we wanted to test it differently. So we will have 4 ad sets here with 4 locations, and in these 4 locations you wanted to run the ad and see. But then you can use 2000 budget and put campaign budget here. And why you are keeping campaign budget is here is that you don't know where to put high budget. For suppose you have if you know that okay, I wanted to put for Hyderabad 1000 rupees and remaining 1000 I will adjust between Tirupati, Vishakhapatnam, Vijayawada. Then you can use ad set budget. But if you don't know how to arrange budget, then give complete control to Facebook algorithm, complete permission. So give campaign level budget, create 4 ad sets, Facebook itself distribute that budget into these 4 ad sets. So it will see the results of one day it saw the result. Okay, Hyderabad is getting more results. Let me put little more budget on Hyderabad, and Tirupati is not getting much leads. Let me scale down the budget on Tirupati and increase the budget on Vijayawada and Vishakhapatnam. So it will distribute itself. Then you should use campaign budget. When you want Facebook itself to distribute budget between all the ad sets, use campaign budget. When you wanted to yourself distribute the budget between ad sets, then use ad set budget. In this case, suppose you know that Hyderabad has a in Hyderabad you will get more quality leads. Then you decided to put on Hyderabad 1000 budget. Then you will use ad set budget and you will put Hyderabad for 1000, Vishakhapatnam for 300, Vijayawada for 400, Tirupati for 200. You yourself distributed this. Then it's called ad set budget optimization. So I hope you understood this clearly. While we go further over on the session, we will explain you clearly more about this. So if you don't understand, no need to worry about this. So hope so far clear what is the difference between campaign level budget and ad set level budget, ABO, CBO. Now let's put 2000 is our daily budget here. Now at bottom it is saying something. Basically what it is telling is that, sir, you have put 2000 daily budget. That means you are telling Facebook that you should spend only 2000 rupees per day. But what Facebook is saying to you in return is that, I understand you want me to spend only 2000 rupees per day, but I will calculate your 2000 daily budget into a week. So every day I'll calculate 2000 rupees multiply into 7 days, that is 14,000. So for you, you are telling 2000 daily budget, but for me it is 14,000 weekly budget I'll calculate. And you are telling to spend only 2000 per day, but I am telling you that if I see results today, then I can increase your budget from 2000 to 3500 per day. I'll spend 3500 per day if I see good results, but I will make sure I will not spend more than 14,000 in a week. So I will make sure your daily budget into a week and try to be in that 14,000, but I will adjust. One day if I spend 3000, next day I will spend 1000. On the day where I am getting good results, I will spend 3000. On the day when I am seeing that the result is not much, I will spend less. I will adjust it. My algorithms are powerful. I will see the results and I will adjust it myself. It is saying that. So hope you understood this as well. Now we are clear about it. Now you can see here the highest volume. You keep always highest volume here. Cost per result goal, it is saying set time cost per result, while maximum value bid cap it is saying. But until you are not a professional with experience of like 3-4 years creating hundreds of campaign, do not go into this stuff. As of now, highest volume gives you best results, keep this. Now budget scheduling, all this schedule budget increase, basically this also do not prefer to do any changes here. What it is means, it is telling that let's say you wanted to run the campaign for 7 days. In between there is a Diwali, and in that Diwali you believe that people purchase more. So on that Diwali date you can increase the budget from 500 to 800 on that particular day. So you wanted to spend more on that particular day, you can use this. But when you know 100% about your audience and how Facebook algorithm performs, how it gives results, then use this. So basically it is saying that on average day it will spend 2000, but on Diwali day I'll spend 2500 rupees, that it means. So you can do that budget schedule increase when it required. Hope we are you are following along with me, and I'll also in the next classes I'll try to again come back here and explain more while creating new campaigns. So if you are like not getting anything, don't be bothered, just simply try to follow up as much as you are understanding, just keep watching it. Okay, so far good enough. Now what is ARB testing? So ARB testing is which I told you before, you wanted to test two different audiences in a single campaign. So like we discussed before, in one ad set we wanted to target location Hyderabad located audiences, and in another ad set we wanted to target Visakhapatnam located audiences. These are the two type of audiences you wanted to target. This is called A or B testing. So you are targeting two different audiences to test which is performing better. So this is called ARB testing, and it is not about only location, whether it's a gender. If you are having a cosmetics brand and you have a product that's suitable for both genders, male and female, but you wanted to test it how each gender is performing, on each gender how the ad is performing. So you will run two separate audience ad sets for gender male and female to test, see who is purchasing more, who is better, who is consuming more the product, whether it's a male or female, and which age group. So when you wanted to see detailedly in microscopic view on two different audiences is called ARB testing. You can give multiple 5-6 testings as well. It is called ARB testing. Good so far. Now let's go to the ad set. Now how to give the name to the ad set, like similar to campaign name, ad set name how you will choose is that. So in this case the Finland Premium Villas, which is this campaign is about. So the ad set currently I am creating is for Hyderabad audience. So I'll type Hyderabad, and I wanted to send this audience to my instant form. So I'll use instant form, and I wanted to target business owners and jobs. Let's say I wanted to target both business owners and jobs. So I'll say business and jobs. And when I am creating this campaign, 23/10/2025. So simple way I have created the campaign. So after a year I wanted to see what is the I wanted to go and check about my client asked hey, last year you have run a campaign and it performed very well. This year we have a new venture. Can you create one more campaign for us? Also share us the reports of your last year performance so I can share it with my team. He asked this kind of thing. Now to find 1 year back campaign, you can just go through all this and you will see, okay, Finland premium villas, okay, this is created on 23, okay, this is an year back, okay, and what is the result? You will click on ad set. Okay, this ad set is about Hyderabad audience and I have collected leads through Instagram, and the audience is about businesses and jobs, and it's created on 23. So you will see all this kind of information in the names. So just for your reminder, this names doesn't mean anything, it's for your understanding and reminder to identify what is the ad set is about, what is the campaign is about. You will create these names. Good so far. Now it is asking for conversion location. Conversion means where do you want to convert these leads, that is called conversion. So conversion location, like we discussed, we wanted to collect it from instant form here. So I have chosen instant form. Now it is asking which page you wanted to show this ad in. Like you saw my previous, while I was teaching you, the pages I've been handling almost 30-40 pages. Now I'll select which page I want this ad to show. I wanted to show this ad in Snehith Digital India, so I selected the page. Now in Meta Business Suite, this page is connected to an Instagram account, so automatically in that Instagram account will be selected to show the ad. So in Instagram, the Instagram account will be showing on the ad, and on Facebook, the Facebook page will be showing on the ad. So far good, right? Next, performance goal, maximum number of leads or maximum number of conversion leads. So the difference is that maximum number of conversion leads means the Facebook try to show to people who are after like submitting the leads, the high chances of converting is called maximum number of conversion leads. Then it is good, right? And what is maximum number of leads? The people who are ready to willing to give contact information with you, and Facebook doesn't know whether they are able to convert afterwards or not. These are about collecting leads. So when to use which one? I usually prefer maximum number of leads, because in maximum number of leads I will also receive maximum number of conversion leads and as well as maximum number of leads. I'll get both type of leads in this single selection. And if I selected maximum number of conversion leads, I will miss the people who are willing to give contact information, and I'll only receive people who are of like high chances of getting converted. So I don't want to miss anyone, because these leads are also highly potential. So I wanted to select this. So I have selected this. Now it is asking for dynamic reactive. It's based upon whether you can select or unselect this. It's basically meaning that Facebook is telling that I know about my audience better, so you give me one creative, but if I think that if I change slightly this creative, your audience may like this. So during that time I take myself the access and I'll change your creative slightly. So it is telling that whether if someone likes to see the text moving on the creative, then Facebook will do some changes on your creative and show it to him. So it completely depends upon your judgment. If you believe that your ad creative is perfectly good, you don't want any changes, you wanted to show it as it is, then do not select it. If you want to test it, select it. So that's it. And catalog, you do not have to select this catalog, it is not required, but I will explain you what it is for your knowledge. Catalog is that if you are into e-commerce, you will have thousands of products. So each each category has some products. So if it is on a season wise selling, so in winter season you wanted to sell hoodies, so you will select catalog and select hoodies as a product set. So you will run only ads about hoodies. So out of that 1000 products you will select one particular product category and run the ads. So basically that is catalog, and I do not want to go into detail as of now because it comes into advanced learning. So let's keep it aside for now. Now what is next thing here? It is telling when do you wanted to start the ad. If you wanted to start immediately, keep it as it is. If you wanted to start it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can just change the date and time here. And end date, if you wanted to if you have an end date, if your client told that stop it after 10 days or 1 month, select an end date. But I would prefer not to keep any end date. If I wanted to turn it off, I will do it manually. So it's up to you again. You can choose which is working best for you. And saved audience, so this is again the advanced concept where you select an audience, save them, and if you want to use the same audience again, you can find this in the saved audience list here. So all my saved audiences will be available here. If instead of wasting my time, if I have the same client who or the same industry, then I can directly choose the saved audience instead of finding again and again and wasting the time and effort. I will use that. Now anyway, this is the most crucial part of creating a campaign, that is selecting your audience. This can make or break your ad. So always make sure to give dedicated time to create audience for your campaign. So example, in our case, we have decided for this ad set Hyderabad location. So select Hyderabad, click here, and you will get location. Target radius you can keep based upon your knowledge. So I'll keep 17 kilometers because most of the Hyderabad will get covered in 17 kilometers. Like you can see, it change. Here you will get almost Kushiguda, till Kushiguda you are getting till here, and here till Kokapet, Financial, Gandipet, everything is covered till here. So almost in this 17 kilometers you will get entire Hyderabad, you can cover it. So I've kept it 17 kilometers. If you wanted to select another areas, you can keep selecting here. If you wanted to exclude some locations, you can just exclude Hayat Nagar. I can exclude this location. So your ad will be not shown in Hayat Nagar. So simply you can exclude these places like that with radius. Okay, so far good. Also you can select it with pin code as well, 50001. So with a postal code also you can select exact place. And here it is asking for a tick mark. So reach more people likely to respond. What it is telling is that basically it is telling, if I believe someone from out of your target location, but still he might be interested on your ad, do you want me to show or not? You can based on your understanding, you can if you think that okay, they are not from Hyderabad, they are from Suryapet, but still they can purchase this property, then keep it. Or else you wanted to test with this Hyderabad audience only, how it is performing. I don't want any other audience to get interested. I wanted to see how this particular ad set is performing, then turn it off. So based on that understanding, judgment, you have to select this or check in or check out this. So far good, right? Next, so here click on show more control, and here it is asking minimum age. Minimum age is basically, it is telling what should be the minimum age that you wanted to show this ad for. Minimum age at least should be not at 18, because 18 people who will buy a villas at 18. So minimum age should be 25, because above that you cannot use. So minimum age is last is 25. Select minimum age is 25. Then if you have any custom audiences to exclude, you can use that. If not, just deselect it. Languages, all languages. Again it's asking any custom audience. As of now we are creating a new campaign, we will not have any custom audience, but in future classes I will be covering that too. So I have left this custom audience. Now it is asking actual age group, whom you wanted to target, which age. So I will believe that people who wanted to purchase a villa would be between 38 to between 60. So I've selected the target agents, all gender, demographics, interest. So usually what happens in real estate is that I've received multiple people saying that, see, I'm running a campaign, everything is good, but the problem is that the agents, real estate agents and channel partners are clicking on my ads and wasting my ad budget. All my leads are by channel partners and real estate agents. So how can I avoid this? This is a common complaints, common issues I keep hearing. So I'll tell you in this class how to do that. So usually what many digital marketers does is that when they wanted to target real estate interest audience, they'll simply say real estate and select people like property, people who are interested in property, property investing, house, people who are interested in house, all these things they will select it. But what happening here is, if you selected directly people who are interested in property, real estate, what it meant is that who will be the most interested people in the real estate industry? The real estate agent, the channel partner will be more interested. So it is reaching to them and they're clicking on your ad and your ad budget is getting wasted. So how to avoid that? I'll tell you. So instead of directly targeting real estate owner, what we will do is that we will target job titles, companies, people who are working in the industries or organizations that can purchase our property. Like to purchase 12 crore villa, the person has to have a monthly salary of 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, above that, right? So to target those audience, we should select all the relevant audience first, owner and CEO, owner, manager, CEO. You can select the founder, director, CEO. Then you can say managing directors. Then you can select directors, chairman and manager, directors. Okay. Then you can select like companies, Google, people who are working in Google. Not interest, always make sure job title. If you are not seeing Google as a job title, you can Google India Private Limited, you can see all the employees it is targeting. So you can select here. Then you will see multiple options coming below. HCL Tech, people who are working in Accenture, people who are working in IBM Global Service, then people who are working in Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Accenture. You can select the companies, Microsoft, find the good companies from here. Oracle, people who are working in Oracle, like that you will select the companies, people who are working in. Then you will select the specific job titles like software jobs, people want. So you can select software engineers as a job title, or software development engineer. So what we will do is that instead of selecting, we will go to the browse, we will click on the demographics, we will click it work here, and we will click job titles, then we will give software. So you will not find interest here, you will directly receive job titles here. So software architect, software analyst, software development is below 1000, so I don't want to target. I wanted to target people who are development engineer. So like that I have targeted. Next, data scientist. Next, whom I can target? Lawyers, corporate lawyer I can target, business lawyers I can target. So like that I'll select all the professions from here. Next, what I can target? Next I can target doctors. So which doctor I can target? I'll see that. So if I have a doctor, direct doctor, or else I can direct select the cardiology. So you will see all the cardiologists you can target from here. So like that you can do multiple profession target who can purchase, who has a purchase intent or purchase potential for this type of property. Once you selected this job titles, doctors, lawyers, you can take multiple professions, architect. So all the professions you can have a list of audience. I will share you in the Excel sheet all the audience sheet, like all the lawyers, doctors, people. I have this list with me, where people's salaries, like people who wanted to target between 50,000 to 1 lakh, I have all the list of audience there. People who wanted to target 1 lakh to 3 lakhs, I have the list there. 3 lakh to 5 lakhs, I have a list there. So like that, I have a list already available with me. So I'll simply put the list here in my saved lead audience, and I'll select that audience. After selecting that audience, you are seeing this option, right, define further. You use this option. So basically what it meant is that all the above job titles, companies, industries, businesses, owners, all those must also have an interest on real estate. Now what it meant is that you are not directly targeting people who are interested in real estate. You are targeting the job titles, the industries, the companies, people who are working in, and they should have the interest in property, purchasing property, investing in property. Then you will reach to the right type of audience. So you will avoid real estate agents, channel partners, avoiding wasting budget. All this happens through this type of strategy. So you can now select all these things: real property, home, new house, people who are looking for investing. So you should understand, you should talk to your client, sir, whether this property is purchased for investment purpose. If they say yes, then you can click on investment purpose as well. So like that, you can select all the relevant property interest. In this ads audiences. Once it is done, you can just create save audience, and you can give your audience a name and save it, so you can use it later on. If it is comes under securities and investment, select this. It doesn't come, so I'm not selecting it. Now it is showing which platforms the ad is available, like the placement will be available on. Facebook, you all know. Instagram, you all know. Audience network, this is not most of them know. So audience network, your ad will also shown on audience network apart from Facebook and Instagram. And audience network is nothing but the apps, the games that you will see ads in the games that you are playing, like Subway Surface, any game you are playing, Ludo, you will see ads. Those ads are actually running from Facebook. So basically these apps and games registered with Facebook for their monetary benefits. So they allow Facebook ads to show on their platforms and apps. So that's how you can also run ads on this audience network platforms. This is called audience network, that apps and games who are registered for Facebook to show, allowing the Facebook ads to show on their platforms. So it's audience network. So how many placements it will comes on? 19 placements, including Facebook feed, Instagram Reels, Stories, Explore, Messenger, Marketplace, all these places. You can also change that. If you don't want it to show your ad in certain placement, you can remove it, exclude them. Skippable ads, you will see all this, which I will again discuss once more in a very detailed concept in further classes. So far good, right? After selecting, you can see your audience sizes, you will see all those interest, everything is okay, fine. Then you can click next. Ad name, you don't have to have any specific, ad 01, or if you have a design, two types of design, ad with like top view. So you can just keep anyone like based upon the name. There's no set time with any type of name. It's just for your identifying. So once it is done, you can select if you already have that post in Instagram and you wanted to take it from there, you just select this. If you don't have it, you wanted to manually upload, select this. And once that is done, select and then you can directly upload the creative from here. Image if it is, video it is, then select from here. And once it is done, you can create a form from here. So creating form is also very simple. Farm name you can give, so it is same Finland Premium Villas. Select this name. More volume or higher intent. I don't want more volume, I want high intent audience, so I did high intent. Required leads to verify their phone number with a one-time passcode. As of now I am not selecting it because most of them will avoid filling the forms if they received any OTP and they have to give that OTP verification number on this. Most people avoid. I don't want that to happen for now, so I am not ticking that box. It is asking should Facebook optimize the form if it believes it increase performance. As of now I wanted to keep it manual to check because I am 100% confident that my manual form will work well, so I'll just click manual. Once it is done, you can go to intro. Here you see background image, so you can use the image from the ad, you can, or else you can upload manually, and these are the sizes. So make sure you upload the same size so it fits perfectly here. Here I'm talking about. So once that is done, greeting if it is you want it, then you can put it or you can cancel it. So Finland property, you can just keep anything like related to your property. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini and give your property details, it will give the names. So for now I'm giving this example. And property, Finland Premium Properties, Mokila. Start set to CR. Okay, like this I am giving you an example of lavish luxurious spaces. You can give something like that. All you should give extra information regarding the property. Right now for example I am showing this. You can show how what is the USPs of the property in this, you can show that. So once it is done, you will see questions. So like I discussed, right, multiple choice you will select it. This property is located in Mokila. And starts at 12 CR. Are you interested? Not interested. Don't allow multiple responses for this type of question. So check out that. Now if they said interested, it will go up next question. If not, it will close. Then again add another multiple question. When can you visit the site? This week, next week, or in next 15 days. You can select multiple things like that by selecting one more plus, and you can add multiple options. So once that done, you can add job title. What is your job title or profession, you can ask. So once it is done, you can just add a description. What is the information that you let people know, the information that they give you will be used for shade. So make sure tell that it is just for our agents to call. The information is used for our executives to reach out to you, just to understand. Okay, and here you can give full name, phone number, remove optional, and email. So you will collect all this phone number, email and his name. Once that is done, go to next. Now here it is asking privacy policy link. So if you have a website and a privacy policy over there, you can just copy paste link. If you don't have, you can do one thing, you can go to Google privacy policy and take a link from here and paste it here. Okay, once that is completed, the review screen will appear. Then you can click next. Then you will see all this detail. Now where do you wanted to send the person after filling the form? If it is website, give your website link. If you wanted to have send them any PDF, then select this like that. Or you wanted to call them to your business, you can give your call business select and give your number. So all this you can do it. Right now I'm giving website, and for example I'm taking my my website. So I'm giving my website for now. I wanted to send them here. Next, create a form. Once you have created form, people who clicked on the ad will reach out to that. So for ad also I told you, right, simply you have to come here, set up creative image ad, select it. It will appear here. If you have already uploaded, it will see here. So you can select here and make sure the image should fit in all sizes. So actually this is not the size that for vertical and horizontal. The same image should be created in these two sizes as well, and then you can just click replace and again select the another size from here. So that's how you will upload in all three different sizes. So because on reels it should appear full. Then you will have a primary text. So primary text is something that, like on poster there is a limited space and you can't tell much about your project. So you will use primary text there to tell more information about your property. The more information, like we have all this USPs, and we have this currently people who are initially for first 50 buyers, we are providing this extra benefit. So all these extra things you can provide in primary text. And headline is the immediate call to action, what you wanted them to do. So you can use ChatGPT Gemini to generate it, or a copywriters, if you have in your agency, use the copywriters to create a headline for them. So you can give it, depends upon your so premium villas at Okila, starts at 12 CR, like that. I am giving you an example. So once it is done, it will give AI generated images. If you want to use it. If you don't, skip and continue it. Then you will see enhancements options here. So it will give some inbuilt default option. You can use it or you can remove it, and it will give you options like do you want to add music to your pop-up or visual touch-ups. You can off or on it based on your requirement. So you will see how it is looking on the actual footage. If it is looking nice, you can keep it, otherwise remove it. Then you will click done. So you will see this premium villa headline here, primary text will appear here. So all these ads will be seen here. So related media is also, it is showing here. So if you want to keep it, otherwise remove it. Once all that is done, you can publish your first campaign. So hope this class gives you the guidance on creating the first campaign, and hope my explanation is good for you to create the first campaign on your system. So please practice it. I understood you understood it theoretically clear, but please practice it to become professional, and to when you practice it by yourself you'll get multiple doubts. So I also give one-on-one live section as well along with recording sessions. So if you are interested to join my one-on-one live sessions, you can message me through my Instagram or my WhatsApp. So if you message me, I'll have a one-on-one live classes every day, 6 days a week. Every day similar 1 hour or 1.5 hour classes will be conducted, and I'll explain you the doubts. So similarly, like to my students, when I explain this class, in the next class they will create a campaign for a client, and they will explain me how they are creating the campaign. So we keep repeating, we will make them create 7 to 8, 10 to 12 campaigns every week, so that they become so perfect in creating ad campaigns. Once you become expert in creating ad campaign, then we will go to next stages, like which we discussed, advanced classes such as Google, Facebook Meta Pixel. So how to create Meta Pixel ID and how to capture events. For example, you can see this is my Meta Pixel and this is my ID, Meta Pixel ID. You will see the events that I have created. So you will see everything here. So how many people have visited my website, everything will be clear. How many people have purchased my content, how many people have subscribed, view content, how to create those kind of events and track users, how to create conversion API and custom conversions. You will see this, and when you go to audiences, you will see the advanced type of retargeting audience, lookalike audience, custom audience. You will how to use them. It is another chapter which we can cover in depth detailedly. So this you can see here, you will have an audience, this all the audiences, and then there is called commerce setup, so how to run e-commerce content, and there is called sales objective. We haven't discussed yet the sales objective, we are in the leads objective. So how to create sales objective, especially for e-commerce sector. Anything that you wanted to sell through website, you should use sales campaign. So we will explain in our next classes these things very detailedly. And then there is a Google ads. So you will see this type of like 2 BHK properties in Madhapur under 2 crore. So you will see this type of ads, sponsored ads. These are called Google ads. So how to run Google ads, this type of Google campaigns, when to use search campaign, performance max campaign. So this is called search campaign. These people have used search campaign, and this is called headline, this is called description. So all this how to exactly match with keywords. So I've given these keywords, and it also shown similar like Madhapur, keyword is matched with Madhapur. So these kind of things, how to create it, I'll tell you in my next classes about Google ads. And I have my own websites. I'll tell you how to create your own websites or websites for clients. So that also will be discussed in our next classes. And there are multiple things like Google My Business ads. There are many ads which will be covered in classes. So either you can take my recording sessions, or you can take my one-on-one live sessions, which will give, if you wanted to become a professional, then you can take my one-on-one live sessions, which all helps you to get freelancing clients. So myself, I have done like I've built an agency and I've been handling multiple clients, and I know how to get that clients. So if you have taken my one-on-one live sessions, I'll not only train you to become a professional digital marketer, but also how to get your first client, how to do like communicate with them and bring on board them, and then how to do the service. All this will be explained. And if you are someone who are looking for a job, then I will, along with the skills that are actually suitable for a job and how to crack interview, how to apply for the jobs in digital marketing, will be taught by me. And if you are having your own business also, definitely I'll give you a case study and I'll take your business as an example and show you how to actually run ads for your business. So there is a huge potential, there is a huge demand for digital marketing. So hope you all understood this class well, and I'm hoping you all to attend my next class and keep on learning, keep on achieving great success. Thank you.